Yo, what's up guys? Bav here. Hope everyone's had a lovely Christmas. Guys, this week I'm going to be showing you how to create this vocal effect, turning your vocals from sounding like this.
Sit by myself, talking to the moon.
To sounding like this.
Sit by myself, talking to the moon.
And if you want to achieve the similar, very similar sound to the actual song, just remove that extra reverb that I added for a bit more ambience that I wanted.
Sit by myself, talking to the moon.
Obviously, we all have different voices. My voice won't match the actual song, but the effect is very similar, almost the same effect that you guys can achieve with free VST plugins. And also I used core plugins from FL Studio. If you guys have just started watching, hit the like and subscribe. Come on guys, how's everyone been? Hope everyone's been cool. Guys, before I run into this tutorial, just want to tell you that I've been munching on these Cadbury mini eggs. Can we just get a like for these Cadbury? Well, they're meant to be golden, but they're not golden. You can't see it, but they are golden. Well, kind of. Anyway, back to this. So guys, on this effect, to achieve this effect, I'm gonna basically run through the beginning. So this is what we have.
Sit.
Remove this vocal pitch. Sit by myself, talking to the moon. Bro, I hit those high notes perfectly, didn't I? I really did. I'm proud of myself. Anyway, so what you guys gonna do? Go in here. You see the pitch right here. What you're gonna do? Check out the hint panel for all the figures that I'm using. You're gonna set the pitch to 370, guys. 370. Bam. And that's it. Check it out.
Sit by myself, talking to the moon.
Now, mainly the pitch shift, which we added. The simplest way is doing it through here. Make sure you've got this set to auto. Resample a stretch. Auto is the best. Just does the job. Then, guys, you're going to double click in here and set it from 0 to 11. Or whatever track you want. And on that track, we're going to run these effects. So the first one is TDR Kotlenikov. I can't even pronounce it. But anyway, it's a free compressor. A compressor that does exactly what we want. It gives us those warm kind of vocal effect. And you guys can go and grab it for free from Producer Buzz. Just go in the search here and just type in KOT. And it comes up. Click on it. Bam. There it is. Free. Comes with 10 free presets as we are using it here. And the preset we're using is the warm preset. And this is what it does.
Sit by myself.
From this,
sit by myself.
Bam, compresses it, gives us those nice warm vocals. Now, if you guys are using high stereo definition headphones or speakers, you'd be able to hear the difference. Again, if you're using like AirPods or stuff, you might not hear the difference. But yeah, definitely I can hear the difference. Now, on the Fruity Parametric EQ2, you're just going to run the Fruity Parametric EQ2. And I have got this modded kind of effect on here. Whereas the original song, the high, the band 5 and 6 is low, as well as the lows. So I'm going to run you through the settings. Again, hit the hint panel if you want. Check the figures. So you can see up here, the band 1 is here. Start from band 1, leading to band 7, which is right at the end. So band 1 is the settings. You guys can see it on the top. Band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5, band 6, and band 7. You guys can pause that and get the right settings straight from the top. Yeah, like minus 3.7 decibels, 7189 hertz at 61%. So you guys can move it about to get that right figure, and then move this up and down as well. And then once you guys have that, we're going to use something called A-band sounds. Before I do that, let me just show you what it does.
Sit by myself, talking to the moon.
You guys can see, really filters out those lows and gives us those upper mids. Really nice kind of sound.
Sit by myself, talking to the moon.
Perfect. Then guys, we got something called the Palingement 2. You've seen me use it many times. There is a free version on Producer Buzz. Again, there's a few limits on here. I think the ADSR at the moment are doing a promo. I'll put a link below as well. You guys can download the free version, or you can get the full version for like $15 or $20 original price. But they're selling it at like $5 at the moment, or $6, like Christmas, Black Friday special thing, whatever. So if it is still on, you guys can get it in more description. Again, the free version will just do the job, but the pro version has got more features. So on here, guys, you can select the reverb, concert, and the delay 50%, wetness 50%, and the size of the room, guys, is 74%. Again, the hint panel. And then once you guys have that, this is what it does. Also, not on 100%, 25% input.
Sit by myself, talking to the moon.
Then guys, Fruity Reverb 2. Just the original Fruity Reverb 2. And set it to 50%.
Sit by myself, talking to the moon.
Now this is optional, so I'm going to leave it off now. This is something I added to add more ambience, but you guys can turn it on and off depending on your likeness, if you want it or not. Then guys, the main effect on here that does the main job is this. Check it out.
Sit by myself.
From this,
sit by myself,
to this.
Sit by myself.
Just like the original kind of song. And what this is a free kind of reverb plugin. Now, if you go to Producer Buzz, it's free to use. Just type in VA, comes up first. Bam. Download it. Supports Windows and Mac OS. So you can download it for free. And basically what you guys want to do on here is really simply change the settings on the mix to 50%, the width 100%, warp 0.0. The delay is very important that you guys set it to 14.4 milliseconds. If you don't, this is what it does.
Sit by myself, talking to.
So 14.4. Just like that.
Sit by myself.
Bam. And the feedback and all the other settings you guys can see on the screen. Just keep it as, you know, that's the original. That's what it comes in. You can just leave it at that. And then to finish off, guys, we got something called the Maximus. So we're going to open this up and you guys will see this come up as a monitor like this. What you want to do on the low band here, we're going to shift and merge the vocals. The merging is to the right and separation is to the left. So we're going to merge the lows all the way to 100%. The mid, we're going to separate 40%. And the high, we're going to separate about 49-50%. Like that. Then we're going to click on the bands. The low band, we're going to take to about 3.2, 3.1. The mid band about 1.5 and the low band 0.8, 0.7 is fine. So 0.8. And this is what we get.
Sit by myself, talking to the moon.
Now without the last two effects, check it out.
Sit by myself.
Now we can move this Maximus right to the top, but I left it right at the bottom because I wanted to separate the channels and everything right after the effects to give us that nice kind of final kind of effect, final kind of compression and EQ kind of sound on top of the effects as well. And that's why it sounds like this.
Sit by myself, talking to the moon.
Again, the reverb here is optional, the Fruity Reverb.
Sit by myself, talking to the moon.
And that's it, guys. How simple is that? We've achieved that really quickly and really easily in FL Studio. Again, if you guys like this tutorial, please hit the like, at least for the chocolate eggies. Chocolate eggs. Oh man, I always try to keep you guys entertained, you know. Exercise, wait, exercise? I don't even know. Exorcism. Wait, what? Exercise. I can't even pronounce the word I'm trying to say. Anyway, I'm just gonna leave it. Anyway, guys, you guys can download the whole preset from Producer Buzz. Link is in my description, as well as all the presets I've used, and I mean all the VSTs I've used. Drop more comments below on what you guys want to see next week. I have got 3 vocal presets lined up for you, however, so do stay tuned. Got a lot more videos coming up. I know I say that all the time and I'm away for a couple of weeks. I'm very busy. But yeah, I'm doing my best to give you guys some good content, and that's what I always try to do. So I would appreciate a comment below or something, you know, just to let me know if you guys enjoy this. Apart from that, the original obviously sounds like this. And today we've turned it from sounding like this, sit by myself, to like this, sit by... Sorry, I should put it back on 11. Didn't make it unique, so yeah, you guys get the point.
Sit by myself.
From this.
Sit by myself.
Yeah, you guys get the point. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. And yeah, I did kind of mess up here at the end, but I was meant to click on here and make this unique like that, and then take that off. So then we had 2 separate channels. Sit by myself.
Sit by myself.
Just like that. So make sure you make the tracks unique and don't mess up right on the end of the video like me. But I'm gonna keep this in the stream because we're live, and the rest of the video is what counts, not the ending. What kind of? But yeah. But from that, guys, peace out. Get all the links below, all the VSTs you need. Hope you guys enjoyed this. See you again soon. Path signing out. Peace out.